Cooltech products that will not break your bank. This is Vissel V84 mechanical wireless keyboard, which is a 75% mechanical wireless keyboard for Mac and Windows, and this only goes for around 109 bucks. The build quality is spur for the price tag, the battery life is awesome as well. The typing sound on this Blue Switch model is nice and quiet, and it's quite unique for a mechanical keyboard. This is great because you will not annoy your family members, significant others, or neighbors because mechanical keyboards can be pretty loud. Also, these white PBT keycaps look super clean, and I think it goes well with any type of desk setups. So, I think that's fantastic.